Hey guys, it's MCP Madness back with another video, and today I'm joined with Juicy Boy, who's also making a video right there.
MCP Madness is here, and I'm here. I'm Juicy Boy. Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, so this is our cube that I'm gonna be solving. Well, my cube that I'm gonna be solving, and so as you can see, I'm a big cuber.
That's mine. That's mine.
I know. Yeah, so right now.
Tell them what this cube is.
Okay, the GAN's 356 Air Master.
So we're just gonna be solving it. So
yeah. So yeah. So yeah. Can you please hold this for me so that I can solve it? Okay.
Oh my gosh, this looks so weird. The cameras are right put next to each other. It looks super weird.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Keep it down a little so
Sorry, I'm not paying attention to the camera. If I had my timer with me, I would have it. My record's 30 seconds, which isn't the best, but it's pretty good for 9. Wait, the last time I made a video, I was 7.
Seriously? Cool, yeah. I'm 9. Well, I mean, I'm basically 10, but